Alrighty, what is good everyone? I hope you're all doing well. We're back at Daikoku today and we got a pretty good turnout, pretty great turnout at the moment. So let's look around and see what we got. Okay, we got this really nice hand speed, I guess, RX-7. I don't think I've seen this body kit before, but it looks pretty good. Nice BBSs, it's got kind of roof air vents, and nice wing, and really clean overall. We got the El Camino next to it, and the Honda Beat Gang, really nice. We also got this Alpina Roadster, based on the Z8s, the BMW Z8s. Got the huge wheels, really nice. Yeah, this is a legendary car, absolutely stunning, really valuable. We got a 355, really nice, really clean, and we've got this kind of Rosa Magello almost, 512 TR with a peanut butter interior. This is really nice, this is really cool. And we got the really nice blue 599 as well, right in front of it. The big jewel of the day is this nice Lamborghini Mirai. We've seen this guy here a couple times before. Yeah, he's shown up, but it's really nice for him to come out today. He's got a couple other classic Porsches around him, and it's just a really nice environment. And we also got a M5 and a M3 over here. Nice. Check out this A12. It kind of looks like it's got the Novitec front. It's got a pretty interesting interior, red and white, kind of candy cane vibes. And it's got this weird little wing, weird little carbon wing, and black rear. So interesting things going on with this super fast, but I kind of like it. It's not bad, except for the back. I kind of like the Novitec kit-ish. Maybe it's not a Novitec kit, but it's fine. I like it. Check the wide body on the MX-5. Damn. Okay. But we've got Evora, Lotus Evora, and McLaren GT. These cars kind of look alike, side by side, you know. And best of all, we got the black Scuderia. Amazing car. Wow. We got the Liberty Walk 650S. We haven't seen this guy in a bit as well. Nice. I really like this, the 1970 Camaro Z28 with the pointy nose. I like this generation, it's kind of underrated. Really good looking. Wow. Oh my god. That's the lowest Honda Odyssey in the world. Holy cow. Is he gonna come back around or is he gonna park there? That's fine, we'll catch him when he leaves. Okay, look at how low this Honda Odyssey is. Ooh! Ooh! Oh my god! Wow! He is shaken! Damn! Wow! Check out this! Evo Rally Car vibes! Oh, the wide body MX-5 is back, and the Range Rover Sport. Got an SLR, baby! Yes! Love that car. Really nice to see one. This is a nice Firebird. Ooh. Nice. On dealer plates. Cool. Look at what we have here. This is a new Toyota Mirai. On the road. Wow. So this is the new fuel cell car. And it was a concept, and yeah, it's on the road. Wow. So that's the future. Oh. This C8 Corvette is going the wrong way down Daikoku. he seems incredibly lost and he's causing issues despite going the wrong way through Daikoku. Everyone's looking at him funny. Oh no.
What's his end game?
I have no idea.